Hello students, I hope you are all well. Uh, we will start with chapter number 15 once again. Okay. Uh, I have covered some portion of your chapter, but we'll restart the chapter from the starting in this lecture. Okay. The chapter is chapter number 15, that is mensuration. Okay, first of all we will have some introduction about mensuration, what we are going to learn in this chapter, how we are going to solve this chapter, some basic formulas that you have to learn. Okay, after learning all of those formulas we can start with doing questions. Okay, so first of all we have to understand the concepts that we are going to utilize in this chapter. We have two concepts, namely area and parameter. I've written down the definition of area. Okay, this is a simplified definition of area. Okay, a bit elaborate, थोड़ी बड़ी है, but it is a simplified definition of area. First you write the definition by pausing the video, write the definition and then listen. Okay, so what is area? In geometry, the area can be defined as space occupied by a flat surface or flat shape of an object. The area of a figure is a number of unit squares that covers the surface of a closed figure. Okay, like see in this figure on the right hand side, we have this graph. On graph paper we have these boxes types of figures. Okay, we have placed three objects on this graph. All three objects are covering some specified number of squares. Okay, like if we talk about this parallelogram, it is covering these two complete squares, a portion of this square and a portion of this square. In the same manner, a portion of this square and a portion of this square. Okay, okay, in the same manner we have this triangle. This triangle is covering these three squares completely, so we are saying unit squares. That is the meaning of unit squares. Okay, unit means one, squares means obviously square. Okay, in the same manner it is covering some portion of these squares as well, and same goes with the circle. Okay, so amount of squares these shape take or cover, amount of squares these shape take or cover is called the area. Okay, दिस इज वेरी लेमन लैंग्वेज कि ये कितने स्क्वायर कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से एरिया आ जाता है. ठीक है, इफ वी थिंक इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर वी कैन सी दिस फिगर, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फिगर. यहाँ पे आपके पास दो एरियाज है. दिस इज अ फील्ड, फार्मर्स फील्ड. दिस इज द न्यू प्लाउड लैंड, नई नई इसमें प्लॉइंग की है. ठीक है, और दिस इज द ग्रीनर एरिया. यहाँ पे ग्रीन एरिया है, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ एरियाज हेयर. ओके, वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई देयर बाउंड्रीज. ओके, तो एरिया इज व्हाट? एरिया ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस इट occupies on a given surface. Area of an object is amount of space it occupies on a given surface. Suppose you have your mobile on your hand, you place that mobile on a table. Okay, then area of that mobile will be the amount of area that mobile is occupying on the table. कितनी जगह पे वो ऑक्यूपाई हो गया. ठीक है, the second term that we need to learn is about parameter. Okay, तो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की दो एंटिटीज होती हैं. देयर आर टू मेजर मेजरिंग यूनिट्स फॉर एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. वन इज एरिया, अनदर वन इज पैरामीटर. एरिया क्या हुआ? ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर का जितना भी स्पेस हो गया उस सबको हम क्या कह देंगे? एरिया कह देंगे. एंड व्हाट विल बी द पैरामीटर? पैरामीटर इज द बाउंड्री लाइन ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, जब ऑब्जेक्ट आपका कर्व्ड ऑब्जेक्ट है तो इसका नाम बदल के हो जाता है सरकमफ्रेंस. जब ऑब्जेक्ट आपका कर्व्ड ऑब्जेक्ट है देन द पैरामीटर, नेम ऑफ पैरामीटर चेंजेस टू सरकमफ्रेंस. ओके, so what is a parameter? A parameter is a path that, let's leave encompassed, we will say surrounds a two-dimensional shape. What is a two-dimensional shape? Any polygon, any triangle, any quadrilateral, any circle. The term may be used either for path or its length. See, like in this right hand side figure, you can see a person walking along the path. Okay. In left hand side figure, I've taken a picture of this track field. इस track field में जहाँ पे आप दौड़ लगाओगे, the place where you will be running in this track field is called its parameter. Okay, that means this pink boundary line. Okay, it can be thought of as the length of the outline or shape. The parameter of a circle or ellipse is called circumference. Parameter of a circle or ellipse, हम लोगों ने अभी तक ellipse जाना नहीं, पढ़ा नहीं, मगर जान लो, apart from circle there is another circular object that is called ellipse. Okay, कुछ ऐसा होता है. Okay, something like कुलछा, कुलछे के जैसा शेप होता है ना, उसको ellipse कहते हैं. Okay, so these are two concepts, इनका definition लिखना compulsory है. Next we will discuss about different shapes and their parameters and areas. In this chapter we have lots of formulas regarding parameter and areas of different shapes. I will be discussing most of the formulas in the starting of the chapter, and as we move on with the chapter आप लोगों को बाकी के जो formula use होंगे वो बताते चलेंगे. So first of all we have a rectangle. In your copy you write down the name rectangle, draw its diagram. I will say this is the length of this is the breadth of the rectangle and this is the length of the rectangle. Okay, B stands for breadth and L stands for length. Okay, instead of breadth you in some books it also uses width. Okay, for width you use W. Okay, but we will be using breadth here. Okay, now for rectangle we have two things. We have a parameter of a rectangle and we have an area of a rectangle. So let us write down the formulas. You have to write down all these formulas and you have to memorize them as well. So for a rectangle, parameter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Parameter of any object is sum of its all sides. Okay, so sum of its all sides will be B plus B, 2B, L plus L, 2L, so 2L plus B. Second is area. Area is L into B. Okay, area of a rectangle is L into B. Next shape is a square. How is a rectangle differ from a square? All sides of square are equal, or opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay, so all sides of square are equal. We let that side of the square is A. We let that side of a square is A. So parameter of square will be 4 into A. A plus A, 2A, 2A plus A, 3A, 3A plus A, 4A. Okay, so 4 into A. And area of square is side square, that is A into A, or you can write A square, or you can say side square. Area of a square is A square. Next, for a triangle, so I have taken two types of triangle here. Okay, this is a scalar triangle, this is an equilateral triangle. Green one is the equilateral triangle, red one is the scalar triangle. Okay, whatever the shape of the triangle is, okay, the basic formula of area is same for all sorts of triangles. Okay, there is a special case for equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle have two formulas for areas. Okay, as well as two formulas for parameters. So for normal triangle, for scalar triangle, okay, for scalar triangle we will draw a height first of all. So this is height of scalar triangle, H. Okay, and this is base, B. So H is height and B is base. B is length of base, H is length of height. Now for any triangle its parameter is quite easy. For any triangle, parameter is simply sum of all sides. Okay, suppose we have a triangle ABC, then we can say that parameter is AB plus BC plus CA. That is the formula for parameter, sum of all sides. You determine the length of each and every side, add all of those, that becomes your parameter. Area is half into base into height. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Okay. Now we will move on to next equilateral triangle. Okay. In equilateral triangle, you can apply these two formulas as well. Okay. For equilateral triangle, ये वाले फॉर्मूले तो लग ही जाएंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दो फॉर्मूले और होते हैं. We know that all sides of equilateral triangle are equal. All sides of equilateral triangle are equal. So I will say side is equals to A. We will let that side is equals to A. So parameter will become what? Like we did in square, A plus A plus A. 3A. Parameter of equilateral triangle can be said as 3A. And there is a formula for area. Proof of how to determine this formula will come in your future chapters. When you come into higher classes, you will come to know how to determine the area of this triangle, equilateral triangle, proof of that. But for now, you have to write down under root 3 upon 4a square. Area of an equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into a square. There is also a formula for perpendicular of an equilateral triangle. Okay, but I don't believe that you have that formula in your book. Even this formula may or may not be used. Okay, I'm just giving you formula in just case sense. You have to learn the formula in anyhow. Next is for circle. Okay, so for a circle you have center O and radius R. Okay, now as we talked earlier, circle is a curved surface. Circle is a curved sphere, curved shape. Okay, so for curved shape, instead of parameter we write circumference. Instead of parameter we write it as circumference. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, here pi is a constant. This is pi. Pi is a constant. Its value is either 3.14 or 22 upon 7 as given in the question. The value of pi will be given to you in the question mostly, okay, or at the start of the exercise, and you will be using that value of pi until unless mentioned otherwise. Second is area. Area of a circle is pi r square. R square means r into r, that is pi r into r. R into r is r square. Okay, so with this most of the formulas are covered. Okay, and if we require formula in future exercises, I will discuss those formulas with you. Your first thing should be to learn all these formulas correctly. Okay, without learning any of this formula you cannot successfully complete this chapter. The whole chapter hangs on your ability to learn this formula. So we'll start with few questions of exercise 15.1 and then we'll pause the video and we'll resume exercise 15.1 from tomorrow as well. So for exercise 15.1, your question 1, 2, 3, first of all let us take them. Question number 1 is, the parameter of a rectangle of length 40 meter and breadth 20.5 meter is. Okay, so let me draw the diagram for you. This is a rectangle. I have drawn a rough rectangle for you. Its length is 40 meter. Length is 40 meters. Okay, one more thing before we start doing questions. In this chapter, it is very crucial for you to keep the account of units for each and every question. किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपने यूनिट नहीं लगाया तो वो क्वेश्चन आपका गलत माना जाएगा। आंसर आप भले कैलकुलेट करके सही लगा ले, इफ योर यूनिट इज रॉन्ग योर आंसर इज इनकरेक्ट। कीप द अकाउंट ऑफ यूनिट एट एवरी कॉस्ट। Okay. Breadth given to you is 20.5 meters. Breadth given to you is 20.5 meters. Okay. So we have to find out the parameter of this rectangle. Okay. Now we have written down the formulas for parameter. Parameter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. So 2 into bracket में L is 40 and B is 20.5. We will add both of them. On adding, first of all we have to solve bracket. Bodmas told us to solve bracket first of all. So 2 into 60.5. 40 plus 20 is 60.5 as it is 60.5, and we multiply this number by 2, we will get 121 meter square. Why have I written it? Sorry, it is not meter square, it is simply meters. This is 121 meters. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is the parameter of a square with side 6.7 centimeter. Okay. Answer for previous question was C1. Okay. Question number 2 is find the parameter of square of side 6.7. This is 6.7 centimeter. Okay. So for square, parameter is 4 into side. We have taken side as A. 4 into A. We are given the value of A as 6.7 centimeter. In this question we have the unit as centimeter. In previous question we had meters. Okay. Keep that in mind that the unit should be taken into account correctly. So parameter is equals to, for each and every question we have to write down formulas again and again. This helps us in two ways. We will remember the formula correctly and we will not forget the formula during the exam. Okay. So 4 into 6.7. 6.7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 4 6 are 24, 26, and there was a decimal after 1 unit, so decimal after here. 20.8 unit is centimeters. So this one is 20.8 is 26, sorry, 26. This is 26.8 centimeter. So your answer is B1. Now third question. Third question is the square and a rectangle are of equal area. Okay, so we have a square. Let me draw the diagram for you. We have a square. This is a square. Side of a square is A, and a rectangle. This is B. This is L. Area of square and area of rectangle are equal. Okay, that means area of square is equals to area of rectangle. Now here area of square is A into A square. Area of rectangle is L into B. Now what is given to us is, if the parameter of rectangle is P and that of square is Q, if the parameter of rectangle is P, that means the formula for P should be 2 into L plus B. And parameter of square is Q, value of Q is 4 into A. Okay. Then we have to verify which of these following is true. Is P and Q equal? Are P and Q equal? Okay. So P and Q will not be equal. Okay, P and Q will be equal if and only if L is equals to B. P and Q will be equal if and only if L is equals to B. When length and breadth of rectangle are equal to that of square, then only the value of P and Q will be equal. Okay, so first is not the correct option. Okay, now P is less than Q. P is less than Q. Let us discuss a case. Suppose the area of both of these figures is let us say 16. Area of both of these figures is 16. Okay, so when will be the area of square 16? When side of the square is 4. Okay, when will be the area of square 16? स्क्वायर के एरिया का वैल्यू 16 कब आएगा? हम मान लेते हैं स्क्वायर की साइड है 4 और हम मान लेते हैं रेक्टेंगल के लिए लेंथ इज 2 एंड ब्रेथ इज 8. तो नाउ यू कैलकुलेट द एरिया, यू विल फाइंड दैट स्क्वायर का एरिया 16 आएगा और 2 इंटू 8. स्क्वायर का एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? 4 का स्क्वायर करके 16 आएगा और लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल कैसे निकालेंगे? 2 इंटू 8 करके वो भी 16 आएगा. तो इस एग्जाम्पल के हिसाब से अगर हम पैरामीटर निकालें तो पैरामीटर क्या आएगा आपके पास? पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर आपके पास आएगा 4 इंटू ए. 4 इंटू ए क्या हुआ? 4 इंटू ए पैरामीटर आया 4 इंटू 4, तो 16 आया पैरामीटर स्क्वायर का. थोड़ा और ढंग से करता हूं मैं. इसके हिसाब से जब लेंथ स्क्वायर की लेंथ 4 है, रेक्टेंगल के लिए लेंथ इज 2 एंड ब्रेथ इज 8, तो आपके पास पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर क्या आएगा आपके पास? 4 इंटू ए, दैट इज 4 इंटू 4, दैट इज 16. अच्छा, यहां पे मैंने यूनिट्स नहीं लिखा तो मैं यहां पे भी आंसर में यूनिट नहीं लिख रहा. ठीक है. एंड पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल क्या आएगा आपके पास? पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आएगा 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी. तो 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी इज 2 इंटू 8 प्लस 2. 8 प्लस 2 इज 10. 10 इंटू 2 इज 20. तो क्या पाया आपने कि पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर जो आया है वो पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल से क्या आया है? छोटा आया है. पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज लेसर देन पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. तो इसका मतलब अगर ऑप्शंस देखें तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या कह रखा है? पैरामीटर एरिया बराबर है तो पैरामीटर बराबर होगा. जरूरी नहीं है. एरिया बराबर है तो पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज लेस देन पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. ऐसा तो नहीं देखा हमने. हमने देखा कि अगर एरिया बराबर है तो पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज लेस देन पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. तो आपके पास सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा. ठीक है. और अगर नहीं समझ में आए तो याद कर लो. ठीक है, याद क्या कर लो? एक स्टेटमेंट बोल रहा हूं, लिखना चाहो तो लिख लो. दैट फॉर अ रेक्टेंगल एंड अ स्क्वायर, फॉर अ रेक्टेंगल एंड अ स्क्वायर, if their areas are equal, if their areas are equal, for a rectangle and square, if their areas are equal, then parameter of rectangle, then parameter of rectangle is greater than that of parameter of square, is greater than parameter of square. Okay, तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Try question number 4 and question number 5 if you can. Okay, otherwise we will discuss future question in next lecture. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.